Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the zero server bug in the Rust search menu. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually navigate through Rust, and from here, right click on it, click properties. Now I'm only using Apex Legends as an example, but of course it's going to be the same thing. Click installed files and make sure that you verify the integrity of game files first, because it's the easiest fix of them all. And the next thing that you want to do, I know it sounds a little bit obvious, but you want to make sure that you basically check filters and toggles. You want to go ahead and reset it and make sure that you are not searching for blank spaces, and make sure that you are basically looking for the general servers right here. And the next thing that you want to do, which generally fixes most games when we are connecting via Steam servers, is to navigate through Steam, click setting. In here, navigate through in-game, scroll down, and make sure to look for the server browser pings per minute. So connection problems while browsing game servers, try lowering this value. Now automatically it will be set to 5,000, so you want to use 500 or 250 to see if that works. And basically that will basically help you fix the problem itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.